Guys, today I thought I'd do something a little bit different and do a little Asian supermarket haul. So if you want to see what I picked up, some recommendations, but also trying some new things, then stay tuned. So hey guys, it's Becky and welcome to my channel. Hello if you're new there, I'm Becky and I do loads of lifestyle, home, beauty and fashion content. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, I would love it if you'd give that big red subscribe button down below a click. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so always loads of content coming on this channel. You're currently sitting in my kitchen cupboard. I like to film out of a kitchen cupboard. I don't know why. I feel like it's always a really good height, and like it's always hard to like set up a tripod in here, so kitchen cupboard height is the one. So basically I did go to the Asian supermarket with my friend Becky literally yesterday. It was so hard not to bust into these goodies, but I just thought I'd like do a video. Like my channel, although I do like loads of plus size fashion, like I do like to talk about things that like I am kind of passionate about, like into, and I'm really into trying new foods, but I also just love going to Asian supermarkets. It's something I have in common with quite a few of my friends. Me and my boyfriend, we love going to different Asian supermarkets and buying loads of stuff to try. Me and Bex love to do that. Hannah, she's from the Philippines and she's kind of introduced me to a lot of ingredients and things that I didn't know I would like. So she's been a great hand in like discovering more things from like her cuisine and stuff. So yeah, I just thought it would be a great opportunity to share some of my faves, as well as like test some things on camera for you guys, but also thought down below in the comments if you guys want to share about any of your favorites that you get. Yeah, I just thought it'd be a really fun video. So first off, I'm going to show you what I got from the freezer section. So if you're a big fan of like dim sum, dumplings, gyoza, stuff like that, I would highly recommend getting yourself a everything's coming out of the cupboards. A bamboo steamer. These are very reasonably priced. You can pretty much pick them up, I'd say, at your larger Asian supermarkets, ones that tend to have like the cooking sections. This, I think I got a whole other layer as well, so it's like a double layer. I think it came to around like a tenner. I use it every time I cook dumplings, so highly recommend picking these up. These are so easy to use. I would recommend though just measuring your saucepan before you go, so you can pick out the right size and you're not umming and ahhing. That's what I've done. And yeah, you just boil water, pop this on top, and it just steams it. You could also use this for like vegetables and stuff like that. I just put a piece of parchment paper in, just so the dumplings like don't stick, and it's really easy to clean. So dumplings, they always have so many choices of dumplings and they're all really, really good. This is one of my favorite brands. It is called Fresh Asia Foods is the name of the brand. This is pork, prawn and sweet corn dumplings. I always get these because when JP is not here I can eat them. Would also just say like all the quality of the products, like with the meats and the seafoods, has always been fine. Like I know like a long time ago people used to be very like have some unhealthy stereotypes around produce from Asian supermarkets. Never ever had an issue. Always find the foods incredible quality. And then up next, I think these are from Kung Fu Food, and these are lamb and leek dumplings. Just thought they sounded really, really interesting, and everything's written in multiple languages. So these are both made in the UK, and it gives you instructions on how to cook them in English, so no worries there. And then I also got some of my fave. I got shumai. These are pork shumai. And again, they give you all the instructions, and all the ingredients as well are in English on the back. So if you have any allergies and stuff like that, they have to put the ingredients in English, so you can check them out before you buy them, so you know you're going to be safe. So I'm a little bit thirsty, so I really want to try a couple of drinks with you guys. So I bought this Taiwan mango milk, which sounds so good. I love the packaging. It's very like cute and like creamy. The packaging is creamy. Don't know why I always tap a can. I have just got this out the fridge. Oh, it literally looks like, okay, you can't see it. No, you can't see it. It literally looks like a mango milkshake. That's really good. I really like that. It's not too thick. It's not like a fridge milkshake. It's a bit more like a yuzu milkshake, like a little bit more watery, but it's really nice. Super refreshing. I feel like if you were having something spicy, that would be really nice with it, so it would like help refresh, cool down the mouth. And then up next is a mogu juice drink. These have gone like viral on TikTok. I love how TikTok is really like shining a light on way more kind of different cultures' foods. So this has gone very popular. I will not lie, I've tried so many different flavors of this. I've done the coconut, pineapple, strawberry, mango. The like regular melon is one that I really like, and lychee. This is watermelon, and basically it's got chunks of like coconut gel in it. So yeah, if you like bubble tea, you'll definitely like this. They are very sweet and syrupy though. Ooh, a good watermelon smell. It's quite subtle, the watermelon taste. It's super refreshing. Ooh, there goes the lid. Yeah, so I always like these in the summer. Like, I feel like because they're from hot countries, they're always nice. They're always refreshing. They know how to refresh the people. So up next are some things that I'm not going to be testing in this video. If I cook them before I edit the video, I will insert footage and like leave a little review. But these are rice cakes. Rice cakes have been all over my TikTok. These are from Korea, I believe. This is Yopoki Jajing Topoki. I'm sorry, I'm trying my best. These have less instructions. Oh, they have some in English. Okay, that's good. Yes, there's a lot going on. I feel like these are kind of more of like a soy sauce based sauce, so I thought I'd give these ones a go. I think they're saying it's 2 portions, but I'm not sure. And then I did pick up another one. This is by Bibigo. I know Bibigo, there's a lot of this. They are a Korean brand. They do a lot of like gyozas and stuff in Costco, and it's really good like fried chicken. So yeah, I've definitely heard and tried this brand many times before. This is a cheese flavour. I think it's spicy cheese. So when I do make it, I am going to make sure to not use too much of the spicy packet, because you'll see something in a minute that I'm going to try that also has spice. But the rice cake is the bit I really want to try. Then up next, noodles, of course. Oh, let me show you my favourite noodles. I have to get that in the other cupboard. I'm back. These are my favourite noodles at the moment. These are called chapati spaghetti. Again, these are I think they're South Korean. Again, these are delicious. They're like thick noodles, and they come with like a black bean soy saucy type sauce. This is a more of a dry noodle type thing rather than like a wet soupy noodle. Really like them. And then yeah, these ones, I love the look of the noodle. Again, it's like a nice thick noodle. I like chewy thick textures. And these are stir-fried noodles with fried sauce. I don't know, I'm just gonna give them a go. I'd always say a really good idea to do is just buy one packet of something when you've not tried it before, because you just don't know. Then up next, sachets marinades. I got a seasoning mix for roast red pork, or formerly known as char siu pork. If you have what they call honey roast pork from the Chinese takeaway, or char siu pork, this is what you need to make it. You do need to add some orange juice, ketchup and some sugar, but I'm so excited to try and make this myself. Yeah, I love it, and I feel like when you get a portion of it, it's never enough. I want more, so I'm gonna have loads. Next up, don't these look like the best chicken satays you've ever had? I'm pretty sure me and mum have done this before. It's really, really good. So it comes with a packet for the marinade for the chicken, and it also comes with a packet for the satay sauce, so you kind of have like everything you need. And then I also got, this is a seasoning for black pepper beef. Me and JP had an amazing black pepper beef at a restaurant nearby, and I just thought maybe we can try and recreate it to the best we can. Noodles, I did pick up some of the TikTok famous buldak carbonara noodles. I have tried the cheese ones, and I put the whole spicy sauce packet in, and it blew my head off. I did not like it at all. But then I watched quite a few TikToks with people saying like, I only put half the sauce in, I only put a quarter of the sauce in because it's so spicy, and I was like, yeah, I should have done that. So I'm going to try them again, but putting literally like a quarter of the spicy sauce in. And I want to see what this carbonara is all about. Like, what is that all about? We have now come on to the second trying portion of today's video. Lobster crisps. These are lobster in supreme soup flavoured crisps. These are called Gorilla Corn Sticks, and they're by Calbee, which I think they're even starting to do crisps here. Like, it's a huge snack brand. Whoa, it's very stinky, very fishy, but I just love the packaging. The packaging's so fun. Very fishy. Yeah, don't let the smell put you off. They're really good. They're like seafood. You know how seafood can be sweet? It has that sweet element. So they're like fishy, but sweet. Surprisingly really good. The smell at first, I was like, uh-oh. But upon eating, they are delicious. Then up next, taro mochi. So Bex, my bestie, I have many besties, but Bex, one of my besties, she likes the milk one, and it's like a condensed milk. They're really nice. And they also do a fruit one where it's like different fruit flavours. They're really good, but I've never tried the taro. If you don't know what taro is, it is like an Asian purple sweet potato. You'll often see it on a bubble tea menu. It almost has a malt-like quality to it. Like, if you like Horlicks, I think you'll quite like taro type stuff. Yeah, I really like it. Look how cute. The packaging I just love it. So mochi, again, if you didn't know what mochi is, it is like a glutinous, it's like a glutinous rice paste. So it's like squidgy. Yeah, they're quite nice. They're not, you are definitely getting a more, like, it's not very purple, like, compared to the picture. They're very different, but they are nice. The thing I've noticed with, like, more Asian sweets is they're never, like, too sweet. Like, they really like red bean pastes and matcha. Nothing is too sweet, if you know what I mean. Like, it's not sugar laced. But saying that, we do have some high chew. So high chew are, I'd say, a bit like a Chewits. I had them so long ago, but I can't remember. I'm gonna have the peach one first. Again, packaging, like, it's just so cool. They had quite a few flavors. I do love trying, like, the sweets out. I think we all love that kind of thing, don't we? Like, trying sweets. Like, it's like those American candy stores. I wish they did more kind of like Asian candy stores. Like, I know Japan do loads of crazy sweets. I did one of those mini kitchen things. So they're individually wrapped. Yeah, where you can make like a burger and fries out of like packets. It was crazy. So it literally looks like a little Chewit. I'm going to be chewing for a while. Yeah, they're like a Chewit. I'm going to try the grape one now. I will say they're a lot subtler though. Like, that's kind of what I was saying earlier. Like, they're sweet, but they're not like arrogantly sweet or like strong with the flavors. So they've got like, this is the same as the other, but this is more obvious. It's got like a middle bit and then like the fruit bit. This one's like classic grape flavor, like American grape, you know what I mean? Just giving me a jaw workout. I think my favorite flavor is the grape because it's unusual for grape in the UK. My jaw actually hurts. That's what you get for trying to eat too chewy sweets on camera. But yeah, I will definitely say the grape is my favorite flavor out of the two, but they do loads of other flavors as well. The taro mochi, I think I prefer the milk ones more, but really nice to try them, and they're not unpleasant. Like, I'll finish them off. But yeah, I'm really excited. I really love this, actually. I'm going to finish this now. And these are just all good. I've never had a bad one. They're all really nice and refreshing, and I like that it's a lid, so I can finish that one later. But yeah, I'm super excited to try everything. Please let me know down below what your favourite kind of Asian supermarkets finds are. I always, as well, another little tip, I've got so many tips to give. Another tip I have is taking photos of your favourite items, because sometimes I do struggle to like remember what the name exactly is, because there are so many different brands out there that I do take a photo. And also it can help, like, if you're in a shop and you can just be like, actually have this, rather than trying to say a word that you might be struggling pronouncing. But yeah, I hope you found this video a little bit different, a little bit interesting. Let me know if you'd like another one of these where I can taste test more, maybe get Bex or even JP. I might really get JP involved. If I bribe him with food, he might come on camera. We shall see. But yeah, let me know down below in the comments. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me any comment you fancy, as long as they're nice, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.